Hello, and welcome back to our series on becoming a cybersecurity engineer. So far, we've explored the foundations of cybersecurity, initial educational steps, and the importance of certifications. Today, we're diving into the toolbox of a cybersecurity professional to discover the key tools and techniques used in the field. Cybersecurity is a hands-on field, and a cybersecurity engineer often has to use a wide array of tools to protect, test, and monitor systems. Some of these tools include firewall and intrusion detection systems, VPNs, encryption tools, and more. To highlight the importance of these tools, let's look at the case of the infamous Sony Pictures hack in 2014. Hackers were able to access a treasure trove of sensitive data, causing immense damage to the company's reputation and finances. Cybersecurity experts analyzing the incident emphasized that with stronger network monitoring tools and intrusion detection systems, the attack might have been identified and stopped much sooner. Another key aspect of a cybersecurity engineer's role is penetration testing, or ethical hacking. Tools like Metasploit, Wireshark, and Nessus are used to identify vulnerabilities in the system, and then test them in a controlled environment. The aim is to find and fix vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious hackers. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into these tools and techniques, demonstrating how they work and how they can be applied in real-world scenarios. Remember, as cybersecurity engineers, our ultimate goal is to protect our systems and data. These tools are the weapons we use to defend our digital fortress. Robert Mueller, former director of the FBI, once said, "There are only two types of companies, those that have been hacked, and those that will be." As we continue our journey into cybersecurity, we'll learn how to use these tools effectively to ensure that our companies don't fall into either of these categories. Thank you for joining me in this episode. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'll be reading your feedback and answering any questions you may have. I look forward to seeing you in our next episode, where we'll discuss the importance of programming languages in cybersecurity. Until then, keep learning and stay safe.